Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your crypto game with Cash App, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Log into your Cash App account if you haven't already. Tap on the money icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the option labeled Bitcoin. If it's your first time, you may be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the identity verification process. Once verified, tap on Buy Bitcoin. Decide on the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. Enter the amount and tap Next. Review the details of your purchase, including the fees. If everything looks good, tap Confirm. Wait for your transaction to be processed. Once your purchase is complete, you can view your Bitcoin balance in the same section. To receive Bitcoin, tap on Bitcoin and then select Receive. Copy the wallet address displayed or scan the QR code. Share this wallet address with the sender to receive Bitcoin. To send Bitcoin, go back to the Bitcoin section. Select Send, enter the recipient's wallet address, and choose the amount to send. Review the transaction details before confirming. Your Bitcoin will be sent immediately upon confirmation. To keep track of your Bitcoin prices, return to the Bitcoin section for real-time updates. Regularly check the news and updates related to cryptocurrency to stay informed. Explore the educational resources available within the Cash App for additional tips. Consider setting up price alerts for Bitcoin so you can make informed trading decisions. Feel free to utilize the Cash App portfolio feature to diversify your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.